Hey, what's up, YouTube? Hey guys, listen, today we are going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you guys something that is really common in a lot of households. And it's a very, very simple project. A lot of people wind up having an issue like this in their home at some point or another. New home, old home, doesn't matter. And that is going to be plumbing. And I'm telling you, in some cases, this can be a very, very simple fix. And in other cases, you're going to have to hire somebody, a professional, to come out and really fix what could be a major problem. But in this case, today, I'm going to show you guys a very simple fix to a slow drain, and sometimes to a drain that's actually stopped up. So today, let's get to it. Fix this slow drain on Alex and the honey-do list. Let's go. Okay, guys, so we're back upstairs now, and we are in the bathroom. So what I want to show you guys today is how we are going to unclog a drain. Now, sometimes the drain is not necessarily stopped up to the point where you have to use a plunger. Sometimes that doesn't work. Sometimes it's just goes down slow and it's not draining as fast as it should, or it's totally clogged and a plunger is just not going to work. So let's take a look at what it's doing. I want to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so here we are, guys. Now this is what we're going to need. Just so you know, for the job, you're going to need, get some rubber gloves. Believe me, what comes out of that trap, you might not want it to be on your hands. Also, a bucket, small one, and an adjustable, okay, an adjustable wrench. I like this one because you can just press this button here and it adjusts as you want. So you just press the button, slide it down, or slide it up. They have various sizes in this too. It's pretty cool. I like it. Nice vice grip. But, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this trap off here, because the clog could be right here, or it could be down in here. And this is going to be your best case scenario. If not, then you're going to have probably a bigger issue, which may be beyond this pipe here. So this is your trap, and you want to make sure that everything is clear there. So I'm almost 100% positive that my problem is going to be in here or somewhere in here. So we're going to go ahead and dig for it now. So let's get to it. So in this case, this here may actually be just hand tight. So I may be able to just take it off just by hand, which would be great. You know, really, you want to position this under there, which would be great. So it looks like we're good so far. This is coming off. So don't be alarmed. This is going to come off. Okay. Same thing going on over here. Okay. So far, so good. Okay, here we go. We got a little bit of water coming out of there. Now remember, guys, you're always going to have water in here. And the reason why is because you want water in here is because there are gases that are coming from the street. So you want to make sure that there's water here, and that's why you have this curve, is to prevent those gases from entering into your home. So let's just take this off. Okay, so gentlemen, I'm going to tell you something. Okay, so let's see if we can get whatever's in there out of there. And as you can see, I took an old hanger and I just broke a piece of this old metal hanger off just to help me get inside this drain and see what's in here. Oh, I definitely feel that. I already feel there's hair in here. Oh, there's definitely blob up here. Oh, disgusting. Trying to give it a twist around the inside of the pipe, see if we can get out. I'm going to also check the trap, make sure that the trap doesn't have anything in it. Okay, the trap is pretty clean, so I'm going to keep on digging in here. can see, there's nothing really in the trap. That's good to go. Just some disgusting hair. Let's give it a little bend. So I'm going to turn the water on and let's see if anything falls out. Okay, something fell. All right, so we're still working at it. We're still getting the whatever may be inside of there. It seems to be coming out pretty well. Okay, here's some more globs of hair. I know this isn't exactly the nicest video to look at, but guys, trust me, you want to save yourself a few dollars from getting a plumber to come in and do something that's so simple. It's definitely not the best thing to have to do, but if a plumber comes in and has to do this, it's going to cost you a good penny. So I think we are good. Let's try run the water again. Sorry, that big bang was just something that fell. Let's get this little bit of hair out of here. Oh, there we go. Look at that. I got a tack, a thumbtack that went in there. I still feel some more stuff. Look at that, more globs. So okay, I think we are good to go, guys. So turn this around. All right, I'm going to call it clear. So let's put this back together. Duh, it would be nice if I had it the right way. Hey guys, if you like what you're seeing right now, you know, definitely subscribe, comment below if you got any questions about what I'm doing. If you have to do something like this on your own, you know, don't be afraid to go ahead and try it out. Tackle it on your own. It's a relatively simple job, and you know, you can always just put it right back together again if you don't feel comfortable with it. But I think you can do it. I'd say go for it. A lot of hair. Like I said, guys, hair is going to be the enemy in a house full of women and men with beards like myself. Try to keep the trap clean, but it just doesn't always work out that way. All right, guys, so it's back together again. Now, this is the way that you want it to look. Hopefully it's cleared out. We're going to give it a test right now. So let's run the water. Okay, so that didn't do it. So we're going to try again. Let's go for it. Okay, so we're back at it again. I took off the drain again because it's still not draining the way that I think it should. Obviously, it's still backed up. But I took a better look inside from the top, and there we go. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. That is what's stopping my drain. Nothing but hair and just disgustingness. So I think we did it, guys. Let's see. There you go, and another piece just popped out. So you know we finally we did it. All right, so I'm gonna put this back together, guys, and then we're gonna do a drain test again, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, guys, so we're gonna give this a couple of more twists just to tighten it up, make sure we're nice and tight. Again, guys, it only really needs to be just hand tight. Let's give it a good turn. All right, so we're going to do, see this crap, more hair. We're going to do a test now, and let's see how this works out. Wow. There we go. And put some more pressure on there. Now let's turn it off. Voila. So there you go, guys. This is how to fix a drain that is just slow or potentially clogged. Okay, guys, so I hope you liked that video. Like I said before, if you want to see more video content like this, please subscribe, leave a comment, and remember, guys, for this project right here, all it took was some rubber gloves, a pipe wrench, well, it's a vice grip in case you need to loosen it, but most times it's usually just something that's hand tight, but it's always good to keep this in hand just in case. Again, all you did was just checking to make sure that the trap and also the line going down to the trap is not full of hair or whatever else that may build up in there over years in time. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, subscribe, definitely would appreciate it, and see you guys soon with another video on Alex Honeydew List channel. Hope you guys have a great day. Out.